Good morning all. Guys, I welcome you all for today class. See, there are 5 people in the slide. Can you identify all the 5? First one, Amazon. Second one, Alibaba. Third one, Apple. Fourth one, Facebook. Fifth one, WhatsApp. See, what is the connection between these people? You may think they are all dealing with electronics. There is one more important connecting point is there. All of them are entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means, in French we derived this word, one who undertakes some tasks, something, he is taking a risk, that is called entrepreneur. I would like to say the objective of the sessions. In this session we are going to see who is the entrepreneur, the meaning, importance, then qualities, types, then traits, then what is the difference between entrepreneur and intrapreneur, what do you mean by entrepreneurship, then how it is related with economic development, what is the role of entrepreneurship, then entrepreneurial environment in India. These are the things we are going to see in this session. Okay, first one, now we are going to see one more slide. Yeah, can you identify these 3 people? Okay, they are former student of IIT. Once their college is over, they are waiting for bus. All the buses are full, no seats. So what they decided, they sit and waited for hours and hours for bus. Then they thought an idea, why can't we create a platform to book bus in online? Paninder Sharma, Sudhakar and Saran joined together, they create a new business, okay, that is called redbus.com. See what they did, they started up a new business. They took initiative. It is new to the industry, innovative. Then they want to achieve what you call more and more profit. Then they are creating a new change in the business world that will create more wealth and employment opportunity. Ultimately, it leads to growth of all sectors. So entrepreneur, one who create a new business, taking risks and providing employment opportunities and rewarding and getting rewarded for the risk taking. Okay, that person is called entrepreneur. Let us see the formal definition of entrepreneur now. This is given by our Peter Drucker, Management Group. Entrepreneur always seeks for changes. Whenever chances he is getting, he wants to exploit it to the maximum. Then using innovation as a specific tool, and he exploits the change as an opportunity for a business or a service. So always he is awakened, he is waiting for opportunity. If there is any opportunity comes, he want to convert into a business model. Entrepreneurship is not a joke. It is risk taking, not risk avoiding. See, there is a difference between entrepreneur and proprietor. A proprietor is a owner of business, one who caters the need of the market. Okay, what is needed in the market, he is giving. But entrepreneur creating a demand for his product. He is creating his own demand. That kind of a person is entrepreneur. He is due to innovation, he is creating his own demand for his product. He is not supplying what market needs. That is a basic difference. So suppose if you want to become an entrepreneur, what are the qualities you must have? First, you must be a self-starter, initiative. No one will come back and pushing you to do the job. So you voluntarily come forward and take initiative. Then you must have the knowledge in the field where you are going to explore or where you are going to start your business. See, what business ultimately related with uncertainty. It is a risk. It may bring profit or it may bring loss. So you have to ready to accept the challenge of taking risk. Then you have to be optimistic. Don't be pessimistic. Okay, if it works, works. If it fails, you are learning something new. That kind of an open mind is enough. Then you should have adaptability. That means flexibility. You have to accept. You shouldn't be rigid. You have to ready to flexible at times of needed. Then self-confidence, leadership qualities, and ready to work hard. That are the basic qualities of an entrepreneur. That's all.